can talk about one of two different types of bangs. We can do a little dusting bang that you can sweep and get it out of your way, but it's short enough to appear to be a bang. Or we can actually give you a full heavy bang. And the difference that you can see, and I'm going to use my hair as an example. I have a full heavy bang, it's just a longer one. So when I hold my bang down and I sweep it over, it starts from further back and it creates a thick illusion of a bang that's swept. So you can see on my hair, I'm going to have a thick bang. It still sweeps, I still have the opening, or I can sprinkle a little bit, or I can just softly angle a fine little bit of hair that can sprinkle across your face. I can have a little soft layering, and I can create that not necessarily as a bang straight across, but I'll slide my angling over. Do you prefer which bang, a heavier bang or a soft slide?
Well, like yours.
The softer one, not like mine, the heavy. Or do you want the heavier?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm so glad you picked this. This actually is a great bang, and I was hoping that she'd do this so I could show you this in the camera.